Hello, guys. Welcome to the BSBA department. I'm Dr. Annalyn Bacolod, and I would like to orient you to the emblems of the department. The BSBA, or the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, envisions to be a provider of exemplary business workers whose integrity is visible in the service to God, church, and country. Pro Deo Ecclesia et Patria. Our mission statement is the Business Administration Department nurtures students to become competent business administrators who are committed to serve God, church, and society. As per CHED Memorandum Number 17, Series of 2017, the business administration is related to the fields of entrepreneurship, management, agribusiness, economics, industrial psychology, hospitality management, office administration, and all programs that involve business, management, and organizational processes. For our outcomes, okay, program outcomes, a graduate of business or management degree should be able to perform the basic functions of management, such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And how are you going to get these competencies? Well, each of our subjects are having activities that will try to develop your skills in all this. And we have, so expect that you will be having case studies or projects that will allow you to develop these skills. Another is a graduate of business or management degree is expected to apply the basic concepts that underline each of the functional areas of business, like marketing, finance, human resource management, production and operations management, information technology, and strategic management, and employ these concepts in various business situations. So that is why you'll be able to take different subjects in marketing, finance, HR, IT, as well as strategic management, because you are expected to apply these concepts in various business situations. Another is you are expected to select the proper decision-making tools to critically, analytically, and creatively solve problems and drive results. So how are you going to do that? Decision-making, making use of different decision-making tools. So again, you will be able to develop these competencies or skills by solving different problems like case studies and some other assignments. You are also expected to express yourself clearly and communicate effectively with stakeholders both in oral and written forms. As business people, you will be going to interact with different people from different walks of life, especially businessmen, your stakeholders, so you must be able to communicate with them both orally and written in written manners clearly and effectively. And how are you going to do that? How are you going to develop those skills? Okay, that's why once in a while you'll be asked to make research papers. Okay, you will be asked to do presentations in your classes. Okay, you will be asked to make an interview and present the result of that in class. Okay, because this is one way to develop your communication skills. A business or management degree graduate is also expected to apply information and communication technology skills as required by the business environment. So this means you need to develop your ICT skills or information and communication technology skills. So as business people, you need to learn how to use different, well, basic. You need to learn how to use Microsoft Office tools like Excel, um, Word, PowerPoint, as well as other business applications that will be very useful in the business environment. You are also expected to work effectively with other stakeholders and manage conflict in the workplace. In other words, you must be able to learn how to um, exhibit teamwork. Okay? So that is why in many of our activities, you will be asked to work with a teammate or group mates because this is one way of developing you on how to work effectively with other people. Okay? How to be able to manage conflict because it's always inevitable that when you work sometimes with a group, because of your differences, conflicts could arise, and you must be able to solve or resolve that conflict. Okay? Another thing is you are expected to be able to plan and implement business related activities. So expect this to be developed through your activities in your classes. Demonstrate corporate citizenship and social responsibility. So these are very important things that you need to learn and develop as you take this course. Exercise high personal moral and ethical standards. And I think this is what should distinguish you from other business graduates from other schools. As graduates of South Philippine Adventist College, we highly expect you, we really want you to develop a strong sense of personal morality and ethics. Can we do that? Of course. And that starts with being honest in our quizzes, being honest in making our requirements, not copying. I hope that's clear. Okay. Another, a graduate of a business administration degree should be able to manage a strategic business unit for economic sustainability. Manage a strategic business unit. Okay, you will be given more avenues to develop this one, especially as you will have your entrepreneurship or your practicum. Analyze the business environment for strategic direction. As business graduates, you need to have that vision. You need to have that sense of being aware of what's going on in the environment. Okay? Be able to analyze the business environment for strategic decisions so that you will not be lost in the business arena. You know, you've heard of different companies that used to be number one but are now gone. Why? Because they were not able to analyze what is going on in the business environment and they were not able to strategically position themselves to sustain their business. And so this is important for a business graduate to develop. Okay? Innovate business ideas based on emerging industry. So we need to be keen. What are the emerging industry? What businesses can we innovate? Or what businesses ideas can we come up with so that we can continue to thrive in the business um, environment, in the emerging industry? So Nowadays, what are some emerging industries? You have online, e-commerce. What are business ideas that you can innovate, that you can be able to apply there? Okay. Conduct business research. Okay, this is important. So I hope you will not complain if you are given research papers to work on, because as a graduate of a BSBA course, you must be able to conduct a business research. Okay, so that's it for our orientation on our departmental emblems. I hope that's very clear to you. If you have more questions regarding about it, please write down your comments or questions on our comments section for this orientation. There will be more in the next video.